Let's dive into a delicious homemade hamburger recipe that serves four. Start with 600 grams of ground beef, preferably 80-20 for the perfect balance of flavor and juiciness. Lightly season the meat with salt and pepper, then divide it into 4 patties about 2 centimeters thick. Here's a tip: press your thumb gently in the center of each patty to prevent them from puffing up during cooking. Next, heat your pan or grill to medium-high. For a medium-well burger, cook each patty for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Remember to keep that juicy texture, only flip them once, resist the urge to press down. For a medium-well burger, cook each patty for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. If you're making a cheeseburger, add your slice of cheese in the last minute of cooking. Finally, toast your hamburger buns lightly. Assemble your burgers by placing the patty in the bun and topping it off with your favorites like lettuce, tomatoes, and sauces. Enjoy your juicy, classic burger.